this design here?
So my cousin, she used to make these tiny little airplanes, and she would throw them, and they would go really far, and then she would make these big ones and test them. And so the big ones wouldn't go half as far as these ones because of all the weight that they carry on. Since these ones are small, they barely carry any weight. So that means they'll go even farther than the big ones. So I thought, why don't I make this? Because this is a test to see how far they go.
Okay.
So yeah, that's why I made it.
Very good. What do we call it when we're designing something? We make a design and then we change it. I just told you what it was. It starts with an I. It's written on the front board in red. That's cool. We'll get it. Hey, that's why we teach and reteach. It's called iteration. Say it with me. Iteration. Gracias. How do you say, como dice change or iteration in Spanish?
Change is how do you say it?
Or improve. How do you say, I'm going to improve something?
Dang, how do you? I know this. It's
Or
like,
make it better. Can
yeah,
you make it better?
Yo lo voy a hacer como más bueno.
Más bueno, more better.
More better.
Ah, sí. Gracias. Thank you, sir, for sharing.
Right.
Okay. Good luck in the contest.